What it do, two-time gang? We back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something still a little bit different from the previous video, but still up on the same topic. As you guys know that I did tell y'all that we was gonna be painting the garage. I already got everything taped off, so I didn't want to bore you guys with that. But the reason why I'm bringing you this kind of content is just to show you that even though this is a car vlog, that still has something to do with cars, because I'm driving home a E63 AMG Mercedes into a garage that I feel like that I want it to be beautiful as I'm driving inside. I want to feel good about it. I want to feel like this car is at home when I do drive in. I will be getting a little bit more entertainment for myself when I am working on vehicles, and just to be able to chill up in the garage anytime that I want to. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with showing you guys what paint we got. We got a green called a Time Green. My wife and I already used this color in the inside of the house, and it turned out beautiful. So basically what we're gonna be doing accent walls in here. We're gonna be keeping the back wall white. So everything that you see taped off, like this huge wall here, we're gonna be painting that green. That's gonna stay white, and then in green, and also green. So it's not a kind of green that you guys would be like, why green? It's actually a beautiful earthly kind of a green. It's a different kind of green. So after we apply the paint, you'll see that it'll look dark at first, but then as soon as it dries up, it turns like to a lighter green color. Very beautiful, very tasteful. And also I do want to show you guys this paintbrush here before we even get started. It's called a Wagner paint stick. So you don't need a paint tray like how we got here. The only reason why I got this is because we're going to start off going around the trim with a smaller paint roller, and then we're going to go back with this paint roller right here that also extends to a longer length just in case you need it. And then we're just going to finish everything up with that. So I'm just going to go around the trim first. Out of everything, I'm going to set the camera up. I'm not going to bore you guys anymore with talking. Let's just go ahead and get started, gang. We looking pretty good, gang. We looking pretty good, pretty solid. We got everything trimmed out. Now I got a question for y'all, so make sure that y'all leave the comments below. I have this separate wall over here still taped off and everything. I'm gonna leave the tape on it, but I came up with an idea. I like being different, so I was gonna leave this wall white, but then we was gonna paint these two doors the same color. It may be like this kind of trim color right here, the same color that's on the entirety of the house. As you guys can see, like my gutters and everything that's trimmed out around the house. We may paint those two doors that same color, but I was thinking about leaving this wall white. Simple fact is because this is white, and then this backdrop right here is still gonna be white. So with this staying white and that staying white, I was trying to do the same thing. So you got your L shape here that's gonna stay white, and then you got your L shape here that's gonna stay white. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I'm like having mixed feelings about it, so I'm not gonna trim this out just yet. We're gonna go ahead and cover the wall up with paint, and just let me know what y'all think in the comments below after y'all see everything done. So I did want to show you guys this roller that I bought from Lowe's a while back. This is a panless paint roller, so you don't need a pan. It's zero mess. And the only thing you do, you just clip this little device onto your paint can, but have the nozzle in the inside of it. Clip it in there like that. And then this little opening here at the bottom, you just want to push that down onto this, And let me bring this over some more. And it's almost like a Nerf gun, so sometimes you gotta get it in there good first. This is a brand new one, so there we go. As you guys can see, I'm extracting the paint. And the inside of this tube here, pull it all the way back like a Nerf gun. And you just take it off in this nozzle. And then the only thing you do, you squeeze this trigger here and you'll watch the roller light up with paint. There we go, gotta get all the air out first. You guys can see the paint coming onto the roller. So what we'll do, I'll go ahead and point it up to the wall so I can show you how it works. So we got 2 of the walls completed, or you can count this as 3 if you want to count that side wall that's connected to that one. I did ask you guys to drop the comments below to let me know should I keep this wall white, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it green. I think that it'll blend in with everything else, and leave this back wall and this side wall right here, the accent wall, leave that white. These doors will be painted, and then we still got the white trim or the white border. We might paint that later, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint this green. Let me know if I should have kept it white. So I'm gonna give you guys like a full kind of spectrum view. Let me step back a little bit. The paint is still not dry, still gotta lighten up some, but just let me know should I have left it white. Leave your comments below, but we're gonna go ahead and paint it green. All right, two-time family, so I just want y'all to know, before I even started this project, I felt like it was gonna take a long time. It didn't even take a full day. It didn't even take, I wanna say maybe the maximum, maybe 4 hours altogether from what I did yesterday and for what I had to take care of today, getting everything back organized. But just getting started was the hard part. But once it's done, like right now, like I'm just super happy that I actually have a garage now that I love, that I can actually find stuff. It's a different color, a different setting, a different atmosphere. And I just feel better about driving my vehicle in it and actually bringing content. Another addition that I did add these 2 lights from Lowe's. They was like $24 a piece. And they're just your regular pull string lights, and you can turn them on and off. I got them attached to 2 blocks up there at a 45-degree angle, so they don't just shine straight out or shine straight down. It's kind of catty-cornered, so I can see when I'm working on vehicles or when I put my entertainment system in here. So yeah, that'll be next. Hopefully y'all guys liked everything, even the color and everything cleaned up. To me, it looks fantastic. I wouldn't have wanted to go with a different color. To me, this thyme green just brought everything together. It's not too light and it's not too dark. And as you guys can see, the color actually lightened up a lot since we painted it yesterday. But like I said, man, if you just get started on a project, like I said, the hardest thing is to get started. And you may think that it's gonna take a long time. 9 times out of 10, it really don't. As long as you go ahead and tackle it, just stay focused. Once you get started, that's just the hardest part. So yeah, man, for all you car guys, make sure that y'all get y'all garages together. If you want to be able to do a great job on the work that you're doing and actually be able to find stuff, then make sure your garage is straight before you start working on any other vehicle next. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all leave y'all comments below. What should we do next? Should I have done anything different? Do you like what I got so far? And also make sure y'all stay tuned for the entertainment system that's coming in the garage so that we can actually have a lot more fun on this channel. Thank you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe, tap that bell notification for future uploads, smash that like button, and until next time, peace.